Hi, Roy Maddox here from SolarKing and Utilise. Today we're at Danone Nutricia here in Mangere in Auckland, where we've installed 3,000 solar panels, a 1.5 megawatt solar installation. Vector have told us this is the second largest solar installation in their network area, so this is quite a record install for us. So today we're going to show you some of the technical aspects of what the installation involves, and also we're going to be privileged to have an interview with the General Manager of Danone in New Zealand and take their feedback on the installation of the solar system and the benefits to Danone.
All right, Steve, what's your vision for sustainability for Danone?
My vision is that I believe it's the responsibility of companies to address the environmental issues that we are currently dealing with. The most important thing for us in the decision to move forward with Utilise was that they were very flexible. They came with different options. You could do it this way. You could buy the panels. You could rent the panels. You could all sorts of different ways to bring the project to fruition. And so Utilise has been great to work with for us. It's been seamless. You know, there's been a lot of time on our rooftops putting these solar panels in, and it hasn't been the easiest of jobs. But it's been done, it's in place and running.
It feels like the two values align.
Absolutely,
in some ways.
Absolutely. And it was a bit of a no-brainer for us. We had roof space. Utilise had the technology. You know, it just fitted together. So why not?
So one of the technical aspects of solar installations, of course, is the inverters. On this system with 1.5 megawatts of panels, we actually have throughout the facility 12 of these large inverters. This has been quite a complex installation because those 12 inverters connect to 4 different distribution boards throughout the facility. So what we're seeing here, this is 3 110 kilowatt inverters. So this is connected to about 450 kilowatts of panels. So this is inverter location number 1. So from here, let's go and have a look at a shot of the panels.